don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so.
Yo, welcome everyone. Welcome. So today is day 6 of building a social media application from zero using FastAPI and React.js. So yesterday I have already made the basic application. So today we're going to add some extra features to our application. So let's open the application first. Practice social media. Let's open the backend first. Oh. Let's run the backend. Everything is fine. I think there is some issue. Let's open the front end. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. Okay, so let's run the front end. Okay, I just remembered that I have run the backend without even calling the virtual environment. So wait a minute. First, let's call the virtual environment, and now we can run the backend. Yeah, everything is set. Let's open the front end. Yeah, so everything is working till now. User 1, user 2, okay. Let's put it here. Let's put the backend here. Okay, let's open this. Let's separate this. Here, we want to give the navigation bar. So let's go to front end, components, navigation bar, app route, authentication slice, and home. So let's go to app route, features, no, routes, app route, yeah, authentication slice, src, features, authentication, and authentication slice, and home.tsx. Okay, pages, home, and oh, let's open the Excel draw, this one. So previously this was our main schema. So now I think we are gonna add few things here, like we will add a bio and profile picture. So let's add bio here. Let's add bio. It will be of text format, and let's add profile picture. Profile profile picture, profile picture URL, profile picture URL, and we are keeping it text too, because URLs can be very long in size. This was our previous structure. I forgot that if we changed the structure till now or not. Let's verify it. Let's minimize it, and okay. So let's visit the models once again. So let's open the user model. Yeah. So we have ID as UUID, We have username as string 50. Okay. We have a column as string 100. Okay. We have password as normal text. There's no password. Oh yeah, there's a password text. Okay. And created, updated, and post relation. Okay. We are related to post here. Okay. So now we need to add bio and profile URL here. And let's check the post schema. Sorry, post model. Here's the post model. So we have ID, user ID, content, which is text, okay, and image URL, which is string. By the way, do anybody know a difference between text and string here? I think text can be of multiple lines. String, we can change it to string if since we are using string, so we can change it to string. String, string, string. Password is also string. Uh, we can keep a limit in password, should we? Maybe 100 or something like that. Let's keep it as it is for now. We will change it later. And bio will be text and URL will be string, I think. We will decide it later. So this is the post. So user ID is UID, okay. Content is text and image URL is a string. So change this. And profile URL will also be string. So let's check the comments. Comment model, user ID, post ID, and comment will be text. Where's the comment? Text, okay. So comment is alright. Let's check the like, model of like, user ID, post ID, and created it. Okay. So everything is alright. We are just adding a bio as a text and profile URL as string. So let's maximize it. Profile pic URL and bio. Okay. Given the schema, bio and what is that? Profile. Okay, let's see. Whoever is watching, you can chat with me live if you want. Don't add a profile URL yet. Okay. Let's start with bio here. So let's open the user model. User model. Let's make a bio here. Bio is easy. Profile picture requires upload endpoints. Okay. So we are first adding the bio and then we will make profile picture later. So let's see. Yeah, this is the bio model. Why the model is changed 2 times? text string. We need a text. We are keeping it text. Update the user schema. Where is the schema? User schema. So we need to add in the bio in the response. Response. Where is the response? This one is route. Model schema. User schema. Yeah. So user response. We need to add a bio. Should we keep bio as text or string? I'm thinking of making it a text. So we need to make it text. Wait a second. Text is not defined. Let me check schema. Maybe post schema. Content string. What? Text and string. Okay, string will remain the same. We only need to change this. This will still be string. Text is not defined. Did you mean next? Where? Text is not defined. I think the import of the text is missing here. Uh, let's open the post. Yeah. Here I think text is missing. But how is it missing? Like it is present. Post models. See, text is always imported. Post. Okay, it's post. Okay, my bad. In user, I need to import text. We have imported a text here. So error should be gone. Invalid syntax, date time. Okay, there is a comma here. Okay, so we have made the schema and the model. Okay, we have done this one. Bio. Okay. So update the schema. Yeah, I have already updated the schema. Where is the schema? Yeah, this is the user schema. Oh, sorry, routes. Yeah, this is the user schema. We have added bio in the user schema. User update, base model bio. Okay, let's make a user update. Is the user update here? User register, user login, user response, token response. So let's make a user update here. Now let's create update property in the routes. There's the routes. Let's open the user routes. I think current user. This is current user. Get current user. This one is get post by user, get single user, and get all users. Okay. So right now we are making what are we making? Me. What? Put me response. User response. Okay. So we are making a editable current user. What? Yo, Luffy. Like the stream, Luffy. So yeah, we are getting the current user, and then we are making a put request to the current user. Let me check how is it working. So yeah, we have made a put request, update user profile. Okay, so this request is for updating the user profile. That's the main purpose of the put request. So update profile, data user, create current user. Okay. Yeah. So basically, this is for updating the bio of the user. This will update the user bio. So let's make a profile page in the front end. By the way, today we are making a profile of a user because right now our application doesn't have any profile. So we are making user profile. So if we click a user or open our own profile, we can see all the posts that we have made. So let's add a new page. Page, yeah, pages. Let's make a profile page. Sorry, TSX. So this will be our new page, and this is our profile in which we are using yeah, current authentication and email. Okay, so and the bio. Okay, so let's check the profile first. Oh, there is no route created yet. We need to create the route first. So here, let's import yeah profiles. After importing profile in the router, yeah, everything is autocomplete nowadays. I don't even need to code. Everything is autocomplete. So yeah, profile route is added. Let's check it in the website. Website, yeah. Profile. Let's see. No bio yet, of course, because it's yet to be built. We're building it. Currently, it's completely empty. So we need to connect this to the backend. So current navigation bar logout. Next step join with profile. Okay. Chakra UI. Chakra V2 or V3. Let me check. Let me open the navigation bar because everything will be from the navigation bar. I think. Where's the components? Navigation bar. So menu button, menu list, menu item. Chakra UI box button, flex and heading. Let's check the package.json. Which version are we using? Chakra UI 2 point. We are using both 2 point and 3 point. I don't know why. We are currently using both Chakra UI. Okay, so we are using 3 point. Okay, version 3. So what are steps remaining? Add bio column, add update user schema, add put user. Okay, we can update the user now, which is us definitely. If somebody is watching, come to a chat, come to a live chat. So we have made model schemas and routes, of course, but right now we need to change the front end because backend is pretty straightforward in this. So right now we need a front end. Okay, user schema updated. Yeah, profile.tsx. Profile.tsx. Yeah, I have done it. And profile route. Yeah, we have made the profile route. Edit bio from profile. Yeah, we need to edit bio from the profile. Profile.tsx. Let me check. Wait, by the way, is the profile appearing in the navigation bar? I haven't checked it yet. Okay, we have logged out. Wait, let's log in again. User1 at the gmail.com. Password is user1. Login. What? What's the issue here? Again, there's a issue. Let me check the backend. Password as a user password, bio as user by created, and there is a small error here. Let me check. .env is correct. Let's reload it maybe, or let's check the backend once more. When I tried to log in, this happened. User bar doesn't exist. Okay. User bio equal to column text exists in model, so it generates. Okay. Says column bio doesn't exist. Okay. Yeah. No bio. Should we add bio manually? Let's try to add bio manually. But for that, we need to authenticate the user in the backend. Let's try to. Okay. We cannot fetch it. So we need to open the pgadmin. It's still early. If you can don't care about existing data, drop table, user cascade. No. So let's check where to run it. Till then, my Postgres is running. Let me check. This is my social media. Cast, I think. No, sorry. Here, not this one. Okay, where to check the current tables in the database? Maybe dashboard? No. Properties, SQL. Why is everything not working? PGAdmin, select to database, right click tool, click on query tool. Okay. Query tool, query tool. So we can query here. Let's do this query. Let's try to run this query here, but there's no option of running. Where's the option? Execute. So where's the execute? This one. Okay, so the query is successfully entered. Let's see this. Let's execute the query. Yeah. So these are the tables. We have user, email, password, created, and bio. Yeah. In the end, we got the bio with all the null values. And these are UUIDs. Okay. Can we shift to the bio table? So we have made the bio here, bio column. Okay, so the column order doesn't matter. So it doesn't really matter. So let's continue. Yeah, bio here. Okay, I have kept bio here. Let's first check the front end as well as the back end. Let's close the PG. Let's rerun the back end. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. Let's clear. Let's run the back end again. Okay, let's check. It's still showing error. Even after editing the table, there's still some error here. It's a different error. Okay, good news. The bio column is probably fixed. Yeah, the new error is pydantic user error. Type adapter found the reference use update is not fully defined. Update profile. Schema and user route. So there is a problem in the user schema and user route. Backend schema, user schema, backend routes and user route. Let's see what's the error is. So in the routes, there is some issue here. Let's open the routes, user routes, update profile. It's in the end, I think. Yeah, this is the update profile. User data equal to user update. But at the top, you only import user response. Okay. So the user update is still not imported. So let's import this user response. We haven't imported the user update here. So let's update user. What is a user? Oh, sorry, this is post. Uh, user response and user update. Yeah, user update. So the error must be gone. Syntax error. Oh, sorry. It should be curved bracket. Yeah, curved bracket. Let's check the schema again. Schema user. The schema is correct, I think. UUID, username, email string, bio, none. We need to add this line here. From attributes, true. Okay. One more thing to notice, you have two user.me get routes in user.py. Two user.me. User.me. So let's check the routes. It's saying we have two user.me. Yeah, we have this as well as this. We have three, I think. Let me check again. Yeah, we have three. Get user. The first one is get, second one is get to. Okay. So there are two get current user and get current user again. What? We have two get current user. Let's delete one. Let me check. Let's, yeah, let's check if both are same or not. So these are two get current user and both are completely same. So let's delete one. Yeah, we have deleted it. So let's try to run the backend again. Uh, let's clear the terminal first and then run it again. So now the backend is running. By the way, let's remove this env file line. Yeah, we don't need this one. This one is for debugging. So it's fixed now, so we don't need this one. Okay. So this line doesn't exist. Now let's check the front end. This is the front end. Okay. So let's log in again. User one, login. Yeah, we have logged in, but the navigation bar part is not working. It's only showing logout button. Okay. Let's open the navigation bar. Where's the navigation bar? Components, I think. Components. Yeah, nav bar. So this is a nav bar. So these buttons are not working in nav bar. Mm. So inside the nav bar, let's check dispatch. Okay, okay. There should be login. Okay, this is different. After login and logout, this button should appear in the navigation bar. So we are going to change this button. Instead of this button, there should be user profile too. Is there some error in navigation bar? Yeah. Why is the two showing some error? I don't know. So let's add the user profile and drop down menu in the navigation bar. After that, we will add a user profile editing, something like that. Yeah, it should be a username, then profile, then logout. Yeah. Authentication slice. Wait, where is the authentication slice? Authentication slice. So set token. Okay. Create a user API. Features auth user API. There's already user API. Yeah, it's the same. Home page. Add get current user in the home page. Dispatch. We are dispatching current user, I think. Yeah, set user. We are already doing that. And then the navigation bar will become like this. But it already exists. So let's go to features, then user API, and the home, I think, home.tsx. src pages home, and the navigation bar, src components, navigation bar component. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. You're implementing the user loading correctly. Yeah, it was correct from the day one, I think. Get user from reduction nav bar add. Okay, so let's open the nav bar. User selector. Yeah. Uh, token. Add this below the token. Okay. So now we are getting the user from the authentication. Okay. So here we are getting the token, and now we are getting the user, the current user. Replace the logout button. Yeah. Where is the logout? Yeah. This one is the logout button. We need to replace it by this. Yeah. So let's check. Yeah. Okay. This is the user page, and it's showing the UUID of the user. Okay. So this is the user ID. It's showing user ID, but I think we can make a custom user ID. What do you guys say? Should I make a custom user ID instead of the UUID? And here's logout. Okay. So it's working perfectly fine. So let's visit the nav bar again. Okay. So in the navigation bar, we have added a flex and a button. Where is the button? Yeah, this is the button. The username is a button itself. If we click the username button, it opens the user profile. So now we need to edit the user profile page, I think. Yeah, this is the profile page, and it's not fetching any user. It's fetching user, but it's not showing anything. Uh, okay, okay. Opens user ID, but not the profile. So it's not opening the profile page. Instead of the profile page, it's opening a hypothetical user ID. Yeah, profile. Okay, no, it's opening profile, I think. No, it's opening the profile and the user ID. Yeah, it's all right. Okay. But the page is blank. I have edited the profile page. This is the profile page. We are getting the user, and we are showing the username as well as user email and bio. No bio yet because there is no bio right now. There's a route missing. Okay, let's check the routes. Routes, route. Yeah, no features. Yeah, this is the routes. Yeah. So here we need to add this. We need to open the route by ID. I thought we were, or yeah. So now it's working. So we are getting user number one, the Gmail of the user, and this is the bio of the user. So right now we need to change this user ID to this name. Username and user ID should be same, or we can make a different feature where we have a name as well as a user custom user ID. So yeah, and all the post of the user must come. So let's edit it. So the page came, user profile. Now we need to fetch all the post of the single user here. Now we need to fetch all the post by the user. Yeah, so current flow is working. Yeah. Okay, so routes is still missing. I think we have the routes of get all post. No, we don't have get all post by a user. So we need to make a get all post from a single user so that we can show it in their profile picture. So let's check the routes, user routes or post routes. Post routes, yeah. Post API, okay. Let's see the post API. front end, and then we see the features, the post API. Yeah, and also let's get the profile. By the way, profile is incomplete, but let's give it components. No, pages, profile page. Yeah, I think it's a pretty bad time to start a stream because nobody is coming. It's really hot today. So we give the routes, post API, and profile. I think the get all post by user ID is missing. Yeah, here's the post. We get all post, but this is like every single post, like not by user ID. Get all post by user ID is missing. Get a single post from a user. Yeah. So yeah. So we need to get a user and by user and user ID and all the post from user from a specific user ID. So let's add this in the backend. Update post. This is update post. Only owner can edit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the update post logic. After that, let's add this. The name would be yeah. Get post by user. Get all post. Let's write all. Get all post by a user. So this will be the backend endpoint. So what it's doing is, let me check the logic. Yeah. So it's saying the user. Okay. After that, it's making a list, and inside the list, I think it's running a loop in which likes count. Where it's counting the likes count. Post liked by user. Any liked current user. What? Is it fetching post liked by the user? Backend IoT. I don't need a post liked by the user. I only need the post sent by the user. A Boolean flag. What? Okay, so yeah, post equal to db query post filter. Okay, okay, okay. So this one is completely different. So what's the point of this one? Okay, doesn't require a like count. Post response. Let's check the post response again. Schema post. No, this is model. Post schema post response. Okay, okay. So it's counting all the likes, but it should fetch it directly. Why cannot it fetch it directly? I think we should have made a completely different function for like. This thing is not looking good. Like we need to count the likes again in different function, different route. Is it because the likes are so since the likes are not independent and it's dependent on the post response, so we need to do it again. You likely have a user ID. Okay, post and like ID. No, we don't have like ID. Like is directly linked to the post. Okay. Okay, so let's keep it same. Okay. So let's keep it same. It will work this time, I think. What is it? Dockerization? Okay, user profile, post. Let's go above. Okay. Again above, yeah. Yeah, we are missing from here. So we have made the route of the, what do you say, get all the post from a single user. Now let's go to the front end. Yeah, here's the front end. Post API, let's check the post API. So here we need to make this export const. Okay. Yeah, I will get this. Get user post. Okay. So getting all the user post in the post API. Now let's check the profile page. Yeah. So let's use this. Use effect used it. No. So we need whole. Let's yeah. This is automatic. I think. Yeah. Okay. So user post on. Okay. Make it a post and set post. And let's fetch all the post here. So in the use effect, fetch user post. Fetch. Okay. Let's redesign it. Okay. In this way, this will work better. And let's see. No bio yet. Yeah. In this, after this, yeah. Yeah. So let's add every post here. By the way, why the post is showing error? POST. Okay, it's small letter. Let's make it capital. Let's keep it small. Let's keep it small. We will change it from above. Yeah. Let's make it small. This looks better. So let's see. Yeah. So we can see the post. We cannot edit it from here. So we also need to add a feature of editing here. So I think this logic is not good. Instead of that, we need to make a reusable component. The postcard, we need to make a reusable postcard or something like that, because we need to again apply the same logic here in the user profile. Wait a second. Yeah. the post appeared in the profile. We need to again add the edit and delete and things, because we need to again add a profile. So instead of again designing everything, we can directly take the postcard, and the postcard will only show what do you say, post of a particular user inside the profile. Both profile and home. Uh, is it correct? Like, should we design a different approach for the profile picture and the home, or should we reuse the postcard again in home? Let me check. So the current approach is home page is using completely different render post, and profile page is using render post again, but we are designing the every logic again that we are using in the home. So instead of that, we can directly use postcard both in home as well as in navigation bar. Yeah, so we have again post like button, post edit button, post delete button, comments, reply comments, share, user link, and time spam. Everything will be repeated again. So instead of repeating the code or logic again, we can directly take component. That's the, I think, basic feature of React. Comment card, yeah, yeah. We can also make a comment card. Is a comment card missing? Yeah, there is a comment list, of course. We can name it comment card too for ease. Naming it comment card will be easier, I think. If I directly change it, suppose if I change it directly here and say enter. Oh, sorry. Uh, wait a second. Wait a second. What? What have I done? Uh, Okay. So is the front end okay? Come on. Can we redo this? Can we redo again everything? Yeah, we can. No, we cannot. Yeah, I've done a silly mistake. And why there is a comment card again? Yes. And then let's delete this. Let's see if it's working or not. I have done a silly mistake here. Let's open the postcard. Comment card. Yeah, it's working finally. No bio yet. Okay. Okay, so everything is working fine, I think. Let's check the comments. Haha. Let's comment. Yeah, everything is alright now. So yeah, the comments card and create post. Yeah, it's a create post and a comment form. We can make it a create comment. Comment card. Create comment. Yes. Okay. So right now we have a comment card, a create comment, and create post, postcard. Okay. Everything is alright. So instead of home post.jsx, okay, create a component, a postcard. I have a postcard, comment card. I have a comment card. Should I make separate folders like comment, comment components where we can put the comment card? Yes, and create comment, and we can make what do you say, a post? No, not this one. Let's delete this one. Let's make a post folder. Create post. Yes. Postcard. Yes. Okay. So it's now more structured. We have all the components and main components. I think we can keep main. Uh, let's keep navbar here for now. Okay. I have a post comment or something. I forgot again. Create comment. I think. Create comment and create post. Create comment and create post and comment card and postcard. Okay, so let's components comment both the comments and let's open it again and postcard and yeah, create comment, create post, comment card and postcard. Okay. Hello, hello. I was mute. I should keep in mind to check whether I'm mute or not every time from now on. So let's git add, git commit feature. What we have feed feature is added user bio and user profile option. User bio and user profile page. Yeah, you have profile page option. Profile page and let's push it. Yeah, we have successfully pushed it. Uh, so now I think wait a second. Why the Swagger is always showing error? Yeah, the error is gone. Let's open the front end and let's check one thing. No. Okay. Okay, it's working. Now let's add a profile picture maybe, or let's should we make a profile picture first or make the bio editable first? I'm a little confused. When we open the user, we should be able to edit username. Yeah, username can be editable. Of course, we cannot edit the Gmail, and we should be able to edit bio. So let's add the edit option. Uh, let's edit the user name and user bio. Yeah, we are the suitable current user logged in, of course. So yes, that's exactly the correct behavior. So view when we view our own profile, there will be an option of edit profile. If we click that, we can edit the username and user bio. Once this feature is applied, after that we can add a user profile too. So let's open the profile. Who is the profile? Here's the profile. Yeah, we need a current user. Okay, so it's very less. Wait a minute. ID, okay. So we are using ID here. So I think we need to make the function here maybe. What? Use selector, okay. Yeah, we need to import the use selector, okay. And after that, we need to verify the user. Only if the user profile, where's the user profile by the way? It's not user profile, I think. What is it then? Normal ID, I think. Yeah. So the current user ID that we are calling from here, I think, yeah, authentication. The current user ID should be equal to ID. If it happens, then his profile is true. So we can paste this in the edit option. Where is the edit button? Oh, there's a we should add the edit profile somewhere here. Let me check. The edit profile can be below the profile, below the bio. So yeah, let's add it. The button is missing. Okay. On click set is editing. Yeah, it's the set. What do you mean is editing? Username. Okay. So let's we need to change this again. Wait a second. Before this, let's make this one. So here, no, not this one. Yeah, here it might get too much messy. So here, no, not this. Sorry. So yeah, we are getting username. Okay, okay. So this is for the form, I think. Edit form. Oh, not like this. This is the edit form. But where's the editing like? After the edit on change, okay. So we are doing it manually instead of making a on click. We are doing the on change. Make it on change. We need a on change. On click. Sorry. Yeah, we need on change. But where's the on click? Oh, okay, okay. There was a on click. I think I forgot. There was a on click in the save button. Okay, okay. My bad. So where's the save button? This is. I think it's getting a messy because I'm unable to get the actual function here. So here's the code. Let me see. Let me check here. Yeah. What? Where is it ending? What? Wait a minute. Okay, okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So here's the use effect. Okay, okay, okay. Where's the fetching? Yeah, handle save. We are saving it here. Okay. Let me check front end. Let's. What? We are the user one. So what's the problem here? Edit user. This is the bio. Ha. I am the king. If you save, yeah, bio is changed. Let's go here. Let's do it again. Yeah, bio is changed. Can we edit this bio? No, we cannot edit this bio. Let's try to edit this bio again. Let's click refresh. Yeah, if we click refresh, then the session expires, I think. If I refresh in the, what do you say, in the profile. Yeah, so there's a small bug here. If we add refresh, then suddenly the editing option disappears. Before refresh, okay. Okay. By the way, I want to check one thing in the profile page, that how is him how are you actually checking it? Let me see it again. Yeah, this is the profile. So where are we matching it? Okay, so if profile user is working this time, but where is the profile user again? Set profile user response.data. Okay, but where is it? Okay, so we are getting the ID from here, but the ID is from here too. So what's the point of getting it here? Let me try change it. If we change it, because what's the point of getting it from here if we already have it? I'm just trying to check it. Okay. Okay. So where's the feature post? Sorry, uh, profile. So inside the profile, sorry, we will check it later. First, let's focus on some other things. app.tsx and main.tsx. Let's check the app.tsx and main.tsx. So let's go to the main directory, app.tsx, main.tsx. Okay, so we have done it now. Let me check. Let me turn on the light first. Okay, so the page refreshes, Redux resets, tokens survive, local storage, user becomes null. Okay, so let's change the app.tsx. Where is the app.tsx again? Yeah, yeah. We can do this in router, by the way. So if we do this, I think the things will be saved here. I think the token and everything will be saved here. Let me check again if it's working or not. Let's delete the unnecessary files. Okay, so no, let's check it first. I have refreshed it, and this is mm, the two exclamation mark and save. Yeah, it's working. And if I reset, it will refresh again. Yeah, there's no issue. And let me check for other users. Okay, still no issue. Hey, comment. Hey, did it? Okay, so it's still working here. Wait, why the like is suddenly not working? Okay, so I forgot to fetch the like here, I think. Let me go back. Yeah, it's working here. Okay, if we like here and visit this user, yeah, we can see the likes. Okay, we can comment, but we cannot like inside the profile. So let's fix this. Before that, let's push this. Hit add a. Uh, uh, I have added edit edit option username username and bio. Hmm. So get push origin master. Okay, so we have posted. So right now we have a small issue here inside the profile. Let me open my own profile. We cannot access the likes inside the profile. So let me open the profile again. I mean, I think the profile is showing dummy likes maybe. Okay, and why the navbar is not coming sometimes? What's the issue with the navigation bar? I think we have to add the navigation bar again. Okay, I have to add the navigation bar again. Okay, till then, let's check again. Yeah, so if I dislike it and open the user, yeah, it's dislike. So the like function is not working in the user profile. So let's open the profile. Yeah, the comment is working perfectly fine, but the like feature is not working in the, what do you say, profile section. So let's check the postcard. So let's see the postcard, front end, sorry, SRC, components, postcard. Your postcard is dispatching Redux section for likes and okay, okay, okay. So let's check it and let's dislike it and then refresh it. Yeah, it's working, but it's not refreshing. Yeah, yeah. So the post function is working, but only after refreshing it. So the like click save in a database, refresh page, and a new like appears. That's the problem. Need to make it automatic. What is it doing? Home postcard profile. Home postcard profile postcard. Okay. So option two. So idea is profile owns post state. Then postcard fires callback. Profile update post state. Okay. Let's see. So let's open the postcard. Uh, yeah, postcard interference postcard props. What is the on like? On delete option, on update option, on. What is the problem? What is the on likes? Interface. What is the interface? What? Okay, so it's completely missing, so we need to make it again. Okay. Okay. So we are making the interface postcard props. Okay. Postcard. Wait. Cons postcard equal to post on like toggle. Postcard. Okay. So let's change it. So yeah, the code will be postcard post on like toggle. Okay. Handle like. What's the handle like? Const handle likes. Yeah, this is the handle likes function. We are going to change it completely. Yeah. Add a local updater in profile. Let's open the profile. Handle like toggle. Okay. Let's make it inside the profile. We are making the function and then we are calling it where? Yeah, on like toggle. Yeah, handle like toggle. We can call it here inside the postcard. There's a postcard. Maybe below. Yeah, here's the postcard. So we can add this on like toggle. We can handle like toggle here. What? Is there something missing? Okay. Okay. So it's working now. Let's check the front end again. Now, if we like a post and dislike it, it happens in real time. Same in case of here. Okay. If we like it and then open it, it's liked, and we can dislike it too. Okay. So we have fixed the delayed like problem. Okay. Let's do it ourselves. Git commit. Fix like, or you can say yeah, we can write on refresh like update. Okay, we have fixed the on refresh like update in profile dot tsx to work in real time, and get push origin master. Yeah, so we have fixed delayed, or you can say refresh oriented like option. uh, so the we don't need to refresh it again if we like it inside the profile right now. So now let's Let's add the navigation bar in the profile. For example, yeah, here we need a navigation bar. So is a profile page. Inside the profile page in the top, let's add a navigation. For that, let's first add this. Oh, okay, wait. And now we can add navigation here. NAVBA, yeah, this one, this nav bar. So we have got the navigation bar even in the user section, and we can go back here. Yes. S- Okay. I think I need to work on the design because it looks really ugly right now, but it works perfectly fine. So I'm a bit confused right now. Should I work on? Wait a minute. So right now, should I work on image deployment or should I make a profile picture first? I think I should first make make the image deployment, change the content image URL text to image. Drag and drop. Let the image URL thing in content post, sorry, image section, image selection. Okay, so this is a link image. Let's change it to proper image now. Yeah, we paste an image URL. Front end sends the URL, and backend stores the URL, and front end can fetch the URL back from the backend. Yeah, we need to user selects the image, front end uploads the image, backend stores the file, returns the image URL, and post uses the URL to generate the image in front end. Replace URL output. Okay. What is this 7 day 8? Hello, Tahir bhai. I think I've pretty much made a social media application where we can log in and we have our user what do you say user profile. We can check our profile. We can edit our profile. Like this is our bio. Wait a second. Yeah, I am the boss. What was coder using before GPT? Before GPT, we used to use a Stack Overflow, as well as we can take inspiration from other people's code. And there are also documentations, like if you want to build something, then that there is a documentation website that tells you every code and everything that we can use in our website. Are you getting background noise? So yeah, you can change your bio, and every post that you have post will come in your user profile. Yeah, somebody is drilling here. And if you open somebody else profile, their profile and bio will appear, but you cannot edit it, and all the posts of them will appear. You can like as well as comment on their post. Nice. Let's do nice, and we can also delete the comment because this same component is being used here. So the basic functionality is done. I can now make this website little stylish because this looks really ugly right now. Yeah, let's remove this. Let's forget this. By the way, right now, if you want to generate code, then don't use ChatGPT. ChatGPT only gives a few section. It doesn't completely give you the entire code. If you want to make the entire code, then you can use agents like Open Code or Codex or maybe Cursor AI. So if you say that make me this app, they will completely make you that app. The only drawback will be the code structure will be completely a mess. Right now, I am maintaining every code structure and file. If I tell AI to make the entire code base, then it will make me, but the code will be too much messy. I will not understand anything. Right now, it's very easy for me to open any file and understand the code. So if you want to learn, you can use ChatGPT. If you want to create a by default code, you can use any kind of coding agent. So yeah, I forgot. Yeah. So right now we are using URL. I am going to change that, and we are going to. So where's the API? Recommended structure, backend uploads. Okay. Yeah. So we need to make a upload route now because now we will upload the image. Right now we need to upload the image. Let's start with the backend. After stream, please help me. Wait a minute. OBS, okay. I will help you. To be honest, I'm not using too many features of OBS. It's just a basic feature. Let's make a uploads folder. Yeah, mic situation. Okay, so your mic is not audible or something like that. What's the problem, right? Are you facing any problem? Okay, let's make uploads. Okay, okay. I will help you. Uploads. No module, no schema, just a folder. Okay, the create the upload route is allowed. But why are we creating a route? Be right where. Okay, like the stream that way. Upload, upload. We need to make upload route now. So let's make it. Thank you very much. So yeah, created upload route. Okay. Main.py. You use add mount. What is the main.py? Front end file picker. Okay. File class upload. Okay. So we don't need to make a extra schema for the upload. We can directly use it in the routes. I have made the and upload route. Perfect. Let's go one step at a time. So let's upload endpoint. Okay. Let's open the upload. Yeah. This is the upload route. Yeah. The upload. Okay. Image. Okay. So this is taking the image. Okay. So let's check. Registered upload router. Where's the upload router? Yeah. In the main, of course, we need to register the upload router. I completely forgot that. Yeah, upload router, like, and then upload. Why it's doing it two times? Let's delete one time. Yeah, get upload. What? Put upload. Oh, yeah, post upload. Sorry. Expected response. Step for actually save image. Okay. So let's open the upload. Yeah, this is the upload, and we want it to actually save the image. So yeah, this is the post request of image. Okay. It's saving. It will save every upload inside the uploads. By the way, it should save according to username, but we will apply it later. Right now, let's just save it. Save all the uploads inside the uploads. So since we have put the path, every image that we upload will get uploaded here. So let's open the main.py. Here, let's add static files. Yeah, and yeah, we can mount it directly. Yeah, we can directly mount it. Yeah, upload static file. Upload. Okay. So let's open the upload .py again. File name. Instead of returning the file name, it can return the mounted location. Yeah. How to upload image though? Let me check. Let's restart it. Also, let's restart the server because there's a mess here. Let's restart the server. Control C. Clear. Let's restart it, and then let's check it here. Is it authorized? Yeah. Let's authorize it. User1 user1 @gmail.com, and now we can write user1 authorize. Yeah, authorized. Now we can check the images. Where is the image? Upload. Yeah, there's a upload router which includes upload image. Let's check it. By the way, how to upload an image? Yeah, we can choose file. Let's check the pictures, camera roll. Let's try to upload this one. Let's see the response. Yeah, let's check the uploads for folder. Yeah, the image is there. Nice. So we can upload it. The endpoint is ready. Now we need to integrate this endpoint in the front end. Overriding. Okay. Let me check. Upload. Import UUID. Yeah. Okay. So we have made a upload router endpoint here in the backend. But how is it connected to the, what do you say? uh, post, because uploads is independent, I think. Or is it connecting to the post? Let me see. No, it's not connected. So now you need to move the front end upload flow. So let's check the front end. Create post. Where's the create post? Yeah. Image URL input. Image. Where's the image? In the return, I think. Yeah, both were. Wait. There's a issue here. Wait a second. Where's the image URL? What's happened? Image. Yeah. There's an image URL. Wait. I have to change it. Add API import. Yeah. Let's add this in the top. It was missing. And replace the image URL state. Okay. So let's remove the image URL. Let's replace the image URL to actual object. Add upload handler. Yeah. Handle file change. What? Yeah. Handle file change. Handle create post. We need to change handle create post again. Control Z. Wait a second. What is this? Okay. So wait a second. So earlier it was so small. Like right now we need to add so many things here. So handle create post here and a create post. Okay. Let upload. Okay. Okay. Replace the image URL input. Okay. Let's replace the input with normal input. Yeah. Normal input. Fix email return backend. Where to return? Let's open the backend again. Image URL file. Okay. 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 So let's check the front end. Yeah. Now we can choose a file. Let's choose this. Wow. Great logo. Post it, and yeah. And how to edit it? Again. Okay. So there will be a problem while editing, maybe. Yeah. So the editing will be problematic. Editing part will be problematic. Other than that, the posting part is pretty easy. Wait, how it didn't work? I don't know. Oh, have I deleted it? Post, create logo, and post it, and like this. Okay. So the time of editing the post. Yeah. So let's give the postcard here. By the way, should there be an option to edit the image? I think there shouldn't be any option to edit the image. I think there should be. Yeah, there should be an option to edit the image. Step 1, add state. Wait. Oh no, no. I think. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. So let's see the full create post here. By the way, I have no idea how to make this website look good. Wait a second. If we check, click this and refresh. If we check this and haha and post. Okay, it still stays. We need to refresh it. Let me check it again. Let's refresh it. Let's try to edit it. Should there be a option of editing image? I think we can completely remove the this feature, changing image feature. Yeah. No, no, not now. Uh, so choose file option. If we, what wait a second. What are you going to name your social media application? I am still thinking. First, I need to design it. Like this is looking really bad. I'm making the functions right now. After making that, I will design it properly. Why choose file is not coming here? I don't know. Edit, and I cannot choose file in edit. Let me check the postcard again. No, not the postcard. Create post. Yeah. Okay. Where's the terminal? New terminal. To see. Let's run it again. For now, as a beginner developer, it's looking decent enough. Is it your first solo project are you working on? No, it's not my first project. But it's definitely a project I'm trying to build from scratch. I'm going to deploy this project after making it so that everybody can at least try it out. Okay, wait. Nope. There's a URL. So while editing, there's a URL. So after editing when I click on edit image, I get the URL of the image instead of getting a choose file option. So I need to fix it now. There's a postcard, placeholder image URL. Okay. I made a Windows password cracker for last sem project, which basically I installed Linux on a bootable pen drive. So when I booted into a pen drive Linux, I created a tool inside Linux. Okay, which located same file for reassuring Windows pass. Okay, okay, nice. Luffy, can you make a can you make a solution or a software that I can use in a website or application? Security account manager. Okay, nice. Luffy, can you make a automated software like that I can use in my website or maybe in application, mobile app? Any kind of security breacher or something like that. Can you make it application? I mean, you don't need to make the application. You only need to make the logic that I can integrate in my application. Right now, I have no idea, like if it's possible or not. So inside the postcard, edit the section should look like, yeah, something like that. Like anything, like you told, you can make a tool inside your pen drive. Can you make something like that in a website? Both in website and mobile app or desktop app, everything is fine. Vulnerability scanner is also good. So yeah, where is the editing space? Wait a second. Do you practice DSA, Luffy? IG, you can, if you implement a Wireshark, which can scan regularly your website for vulnerabilities. Okay, but I think that is automatic, right? The Wireshark is doing it automatic. Do you have any kind of sellable idea? If what's your field again? Cybersecurity. If a cybersecurity guy provides a solution and a guy makes a website on the solution, and we can sell it to people who wants the solution. Do you have any solution in mind? I don't have anything in mind because I don't know cybersecurity well, but I have a few solutions regarding AI. I'm into coding itself. I don't know much about DSA. Okay, you don't need DSA. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hello, hello. Yeah, I have muted myself. I forgot. I was asking that. Wait a minute. I forgot the question. So you guys don't have DSA in your syllabus at all. And in cybersecurity, if there is no coding, then how will you showcase your GitHub? Like, will you showcase? Are the certificates and exam enough, or you need to showcase project? We had in first year, but just basics of DSA. Okay, okay. People in cybersecurity, how do they showcase their project if everything is not code based? If you guys are not coding, then how will you show your project? Because in coding, you can push the code in GitHub, and also you can deploy the code so that people can use it. By the way, all these codes are available in my GitHub. If you want, you can see my code. It's very simple, but yeah, I'm building the logic for now. I push every feature in GitHub, so you can also see which feature, all the improvement of the code in order. So what was I doing? Yeah, I was improving the post feature, the postcard, I think. So here is the postcard. So yeah, there were lots of problem in the postcard. Let's generate the full postcard. Bro, cybersecurity needs 40% coding skills, but since now because of you AI, you basically don't need to learn much coding. But in my college, cybersecurity companies are very less, so I need to learn coding. Okay, and yeah. So in your resume, like what do you write in your resume? Like you told that you have made a project. How will you showcase that project in resume? Is there some proof? I'm just curious. If you are willing to learn coding, then yeah, you can start with a Mun stack. Do you know Mun stack? Mongoose, React, Express, React, and Node.js. No, not Mongoose. I think it's MongoDB. MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So yeah, wait, Control A, Control V. You can skip the Express part and you can use Python for easier backend. I'm using Python for backend because it's easier for integrating AI. I want to integrate AI in my application. So let's check the front end. Yeah, let's try to edit the post again. Yeah. So now you can choose a post. Let's choose it. But yeah, we cannot change it. There's a issue here in changing route. If I click on save, yeah, we can change it. So why the preview is not changing? Like if I, yeah, this preview is stuck here. So I need to refresh this preview. Uh, in your resume, you need to provide your certificate. And let's say you made a project, you need to provide a YouTube video link, yeah, of your working model and showcase it. And basically, most cyber companies need experience. Yeah, of course. Even for web development, companies are demanding experience. Right now, I have made this feature, but this image is stuck here. If I refresh, yeah, I need to manually refresh it so that this image changes. So that's a big issue here. If I click it, yeah, this image still stays here, but if I refresh it, then yeah, it refreshes. 2 years of experience. Wow. But how will freshers get job if companies are asking 2 years of experience? Isn't it weird? So I need to update this preview. Wait a second. Wait. Update. Yeah. So let's push the code first. We will fix this bug after pushing the code, because our code is pretty much fine. We just need to reset the thing. So where's the GitHub? Git bash? Yeah, yeah, I understood. 2 years of job experience is too much. If you crack a good examination, a very good certification, will you get job without 2 years experience? Git. Wait a second. Git add a git commit mem. What did we add? No, we have fixed it. Fix editing of image using choose file option. I think choose file. Some companies don't demand, but to get into you need a certification of ethical hacker certified ethical hacker certificate, which is hard to get. Hard to get. It's like J mains. Wow. So you need a lot of grinding. By the way, you can join my Discord server in the comment link. Sorry, pinned link. I'm trying to build a community who can help each other. I think most people in my community are development oriented. Yeah, thanks. And also like my video if you haven't already. So yeah, let's push it. Get push origin master. So let's open my GitHub. Where's my GitHub? You can no this one. You can get everything I code here. Practice social media app inside my GitHub. Here you can get all the commits that I have made, all the step-by-step progress that I have done. That I have added likes, I've issued, I've solved the like issue, added Redux, added comments, added the comment section, added the edition and deletion of post, editing and deletion of comments, logging out and logging in feature, and all that things. It's the complete log of what I did every day. So today I have done total 4 things. I have added user bio and user profile option. So now you can click a user name and you can open their profile. Inside their profile, you will get all the posts they have done. And there were some issues here. 2 issues I have fixed. One issue was the likes on the user page was not refreshing automatically. So I have made it refresh automatically. And also, I fixed the image editing problem, because when I click the edit image, it's showing an URL. So right now I have fixed it. It's showing choose file instead of a URL. I am planning to learn C++ since I have interest for game development as a backup. Game development is not backup, bro. It's a whole completely hard thing to do. It's not easy. If you want to do game development, then I think you know Baines, right? Baines does. He's also into game development. He also want to develop some indie games. So don't learn C++, learn C Sharp and Unity. It will be easier for you as a beginner. C++ Unreal Engine is very system demanding. And right now, I think indie games are getting too much attention here. Even the word indie is trending now because of Hollow Knight, Silk Song, and Expedition 33. Although Expedition 33 was a pretty big game, but any game like Hollow Knight, Blasphemous are getting popular these days. So you can make a indie game with only one, two friends or something like that. No, C++ will help me learn coding too. That's why C++ is harder compared to other language. C++ is definitely hard, but again, development is different from learning the language itself. I personally, I have learned C++ for DSA, but I know nothing about C++ development. So, if you want to make games in C++, you need to learn the development part of C++, which is completely different. There will be libraries, frameworks, and everything. There will be IDE, Unreal Engine IDE, which will take a lot of resources. But yeah, you can learn it, of course. Uh, Making a C++ Unreal Engine game as a solo developer will be really hard because there are so many things like graphics, physics, texture, everything. It's very difficult for a solo guy. Yeah, let's see. Cyber is first priority, of course. Yeah, yeah. By the way, if you want to suggest anything, any ideas, you can suggest me in the Discord. There's a channel. Like, let me open it. I have three suggestion channel. One is the streaming ideas. This is for me. Startup ideas. This is for everybody, and also project ideas. This is for everybody. You can pitch a project or a startup idea, and people can comment on your post. And this is a normal channel. This is a post channel. You can create a post here, so you can check it out if you want. Right now it's pretty empty. Very few people have joined it. Maybe in future I will get some people here. So I think I have solved all the issue here. Only issue right now is if I select some different image, suppose this, and click on save, the new image will be saved. But if I click on edit again, the old image will still appear in the edit section. So it's not refreshing. I need to click manually refresh to refresh the edit image here. So I need to automate the refresh here. So let me check the, wait a second, create post. Handle create post. Set files to null. Set previous URL to 0. So it is setting previous URL to 0. So what's the problem? I don't know. After creating the post, let me check again. Refresh post. Yeah, we are refreshing the post. So how to refresh the preview in the edit section? How to the image preview in edit section. Save and refresh the page. Okay. What percentage of coding do you know? What are you asking? What percentage of code do you know means? How much expert are you in coding? Oh, expert. I'm not really that good in coding, but I can build solutions. I cannot build a complete full application, but if you request me to build any solution or something like that, I can build it. So yeah, I cannot build a complete solution, but yeah, at least a prototype. I can build a prototype. Right now, do you know GitHub? In GitHub, there is a problem. The problem statement is like if somebody raises a PR request in GitHub, PR, so the person who accepts the PR need to manually check all the PR and which PR is good, which PR is bad. So I want to add a AI there. The AI will automatically see all the PRs, and if the PR is useless, the AI will automatically delete the PR. So I am trying to build that solution. After this project, I will build that solution. Let me see if I can actually build a real life solution or not. Right now, if you want to know the project that I have done using AI, wait a second. I cannot directly show you, but I can tell you I have made a AI PDF analyzer app till now, which you can upload your PDF and you can ask anything about the PDF, including table and images and everything to the AI, and AI will tell you the solution. This is a pretty basic application till now that I have made, but I have learned it, so I can now make some complex solutions like this problem that I told you, the PR request problem. The AI will automatically sort the PR request and remove the unnecessary PR request and create a summary to the main, what do you say, the main person who accept the PR request. So the person don't need to manually check the code. He can just read the summary. That is the problem. There's a problem. Replace the image preview. Okay, so the image preview that we are using are completely wrong. That's the problem. So wait a second. You are showing the image. Okay, edited image. Okay, so we are showing the preview of the edited image. That's why we need to refresh the page. Yeah, yeah. A few days ago, maybe 1 2 days ago, I have met a person in my chat. He was telling me that he made a AI agent that can migrate a database. Like MongoDB and Postgres are two different databases. So the AI will can automatically migrate the data from one database to another database. He had already made the project. He was telling me in chat. So that guy is not coming from 2 days. I don't know why. If I ever met him, I also want to discuss the project with him because that's a good solution. Because there are many companies who want to change their database. So instead of manually, a person is sitting there and he will manually change the database. Instead of that, we can use AI. AI will automatically transition from one database to another. That's a good project. Okay, so where's the preview image? Preview URL. Where is preview image? Another state. Okay, let's make a preview. Let's make a preview here. Post is missing. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm using laptop webcam. That's why quality is not that good. I'm using laptop webcam and my headphone mic. Nothing else. And for the overlays, I'm using only
I don't
starting
ever
soon
slow.
and this be right back. Only two overlays. By the way, if I click the overlay, my screen will disappear. I forgot. So yeah, where is the handle file change? Where is the handle file change? It's telling me to change the handle file change function, but where is the function? Yeah, this is the function, yeah. But the problem is there is no post. We're not calling post here. Cannot find post. So post is not defined. Let's forget it. Replace yeah, we need to change the file handling function. Yeah, I am applying to in multiple places. The problem I think is there are two problems right now. First problem is every company needs experienced developer, even in my field. And the second problem is due to AI, many people can do code easily. Like I'm using ChatGPT, but there are many people who use what do you say, coding agents that can completely make the whole code. You just tell them the problem, and they will completely make the whole code base. Like Open Code or Claude AI, not Claude, Claude Code, Codex, Cursor AI, Lovable. All these completely make the solution, but the problem is when they make the solution, their coding structure is very bad. For example, I have made a completely structured document where I can find anything. For example, if I need the routes, I have made a proper route folder. I have made all the pages here. I have made all the APIs here. So here is the auth API and auth slice, comment API, like slice, everything in here. I have called the XGS here. I have made the Redux store here. So I have made it completely structured way. If AI have made it, then it would have made in least possible folders and dirtiest code possible. There's a problem with generating every code and every file using AI. You at least need to have understanding that how the code is flowing, from where the data is flowing, and from where you are fetching the data. So before making it, I have made the data flow. Do you want to see? I think this one is the data flow. Where is the data flow? Excalidraw. Yeah, so I have made all the schemas, database schemas. Here I can have made the user schema, the post, the comment, and the user ID is used in post, and the comments and likes. And similarly, the post ID is used in comments and likes. Like that, I have made a relational database schema here. After making the schema, I've also marked all the API endpoints. These are the backend endpoints. Before making the front end, I have marked all the endpoints, like these are authentication, these are for users. If you want to edit a user, you will use there's no edit user. Haven't edited it. I will change it later. Some things are missing here, of course. Yeah, we have the delete post, what do you say, endpoint. Put is for editing, get is for getting post, and get post by ID, and posting something. So I have made the design itself, and after making the design, I have used ChatGPT to generate the boilerplates, because if I code everything manually, it will take me too much time. Since I have used AI to generate code, so it only took me 6 days to make this code base completely from scratch. And also everything is under my control, so I can like if right now I'm working in postcard option, so I can directly change it from myself instead of AI completely changing everything throughout the code base. And also AI is also telling me all the flows. If AI is changing something, it is also telling me that earlier the flow was current image, choose new image, and old image, and now we are changing it to current image, then we'll choose new image, and the instant will be changed. So yeah, I am getting all the, what do you say, current updates from AI too, so that I don't miss anything. So there's a issue here. The issue is AI is calling post, but the post is not declared. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, the issue is resolved. No problem. Issue is resolved now. Is no, wait a minute. Create post. Yeah, yeah. Inside the create post, there's a issue in the post here. I had to manually import it, I think. Postcard props. From where are we getting the post here? Wait a second. If I comment it down, no, there's no issue here. By the way, Luffy, is my audio clear? Preview image, set preview image in create post. Handle file change, yeah. Let's change the handle file change here. Yeah. So we will change this function. Replace the image view. Where is the image view? Edited URL preview. No. What? Instead of edited image URL, this doesn't even exist. Or does it? Oh, it does exist. My bad. Okay. So we need to change it here. I'm a bit scared because I had very bad 12 percentage yesterday. Yesterday I got a message I was not eligible for a particular company and I have only 65 percentage in 12 and 10th I have 80. Currently CGPA 7.2. Okay, okay. In CBSE board or in some Assam board or something like that. By the way, did any company told you like your percentage is Assam board? Oh, Assam board. I think Assam board is difficult than CBSE, so the criteria should be different. Wait a second. Set image preview. Set image. Set image preview. Okay, we are changing the image preview here, and then edited image. I think the AI is getting confused. It's giving me weird solutions that doesn't even exist. Wait a second. Uh, Assam board is difficult, but my bad percentage was completely my fault. Corona plus distractions. Yeah, yeah. No worries, bro. Try in other companies. And also, you can try to build in public. Like you don't need to do live stream, but you can at least upload every day in LinkedIn or some Twitter, something like that. You can upload what you are doing every day. Or if you get some milestone or something like that, you can at least upload your milestones. For me, I'm uploading everything every day because why not? So let's go to components. No, not components. Create post is create post. component. Yeah, create post is a component. Create post, create post, postcard. Do you want to learn web development, Luffy? I think there is some issue in create post and postcard. The postcard is not updating the image preview in real time. College placement is going to start, so mails are coming for registering. So yesterday one company mail came that I am not eligible, but always I have registered for two companies, TCS and Wipro for now. Okay, TCS and Wipro are I think service based, so there's a chance that you may get there, but there are multiple tiers in those companies. There are multiple packages in same company, so try to get a little higher. So where was I? Mm, I'm unable to solve a simple issue. I don't know why. Preview post doesn't exist, man. No, I was just saying because you told you want to do development, so you only want to do gaming development, I think. Game development only. By the way, I want to ask you something. In game development, do you guys need a backend engineer? If you want something in for backend, I can help you. Maybe in online games like BGMI or PUBG, something like that. There are online servers and people are operating there. I don't know about story-based games whether there is backend or not. You mix the code from okay, so there is a mixture of code. Okay, let's check here. Okay, so I don't need this, of course. Uh, for offline, it's required. If I develop it, would be some indie story. Yeah. Do you know? For due to Expedition 33, if you want to make 3D games, 3D indie games, the standard is very high. You need to make something really like big. For example, Expedition 33 was, I think, something like million, maybe $10 million big project. 10 or 1 million, I forgot the budget, but it was very big budget project. And they were, I think, 30 to 33 members. So yeah, you can figure out. I mean, you can make features like 3D features, but making a 3D game yourself, is it possible? Can a single person make a complete 3D game by himself? 3D alone is very. I will go for 2D first. Yeah, of course. Go for 2D, bro. You will find potential helpers like Baines, and even his friend is trying to make something indie. So you'll get potential developers there in 2D development. You guys can sort it out, share ideas, and build something together. Okay, so I have changed it. Why is there a weird? Okay, yeah, I have replaced it. Then change the set preview image. Okay, so this was wrong. I think set preview image. This was set preview URL. Yeah, and keep preview URL same. What is the preview URL? There is no preview URL. I to again search it. Hmm. Okay, bro. See you. Postcard. Let's open the postcard, and below the edited images. Right now, I'm also writing messy code. Edited image. Edited. Who is the edited image URL? Yeah, there's an edited image URL. Preview image. Okay. After the edited image, I need a preview image. Okay. By the way, edited image URL is never changed. Handle file change. Where is the handle file change? Yeah, handle like, handle comment, handle file change. I need to change the handle file change. Okay. And change the edit preview. Where is the preview? Image, 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 image. Uh, where is the image? Yeah, inside the image. Yeah, edited image URL instead of edited image URL. Yeah, I can open it here. So instead of edited image URL, what is above? Wait a second. Okay, we need it preview image. We need to change it to preview, so it will change in real time. After successful save, okay, there is a dispatch. Is the update dispatch? Yeah, dispatch update Redux update post. Okay, okay. So now we have changed it completely. Let me check it. When we go here and change it, yeah. So it's changing in real time. Click it again. Yeah. So it's changing in real time this now. So let's push it. What will be the push? Git add, git commit, change the image. I forgot. Change the image preview from, or not change the, update the, fix the image in real time. Image section. Yeah, fix updated the image preview in real time in image update section. Okay, git push origin master. Yeah, so it worked. It's great. It's worked. So I think that is it for today, guys. Let's see you guys tomorrow. I think in 1 2 days I'm also trying to do some DSA live. So I will also start some DSA streams in few days, I think.